Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the fog, clouds and precipitation. Starting with fog first of all. So fog is a visible aerosol. It is a visible aerosol which consists of water droplets or sometimes ice crystals are also present in the air. Now we are going to see that what are the ways in which fog can be formed. The first one is radiation fog. So as we know that solar insolation reaches to the earth's surface. That's why our earth get heated. But earth also radiates some heat from it, which is of infrared very high wavelength, more wavelength than the insolation which we receive. So this is how the heat would be radiated by the earth, and later on when it moved with any cold surface in the upper troposphere, this lead to the condensation later on. The second one we have is advection fog. Advection fog is also similar to the radiation fog because in advection fog also we receive some radiation from the sun. That's why earth get heated. So earth will radiate in the form of longer wavelength, but these radiation would not go too much height and would start some horizontal movement, and that's why this is known as advection fog. The next one we have stream fog. In case of stream fog, let's say this is a surface, this is land, and this is ocean. When the ocean get heated, it is warm now, so that's why warm ocean would produce some stream. When this stream would meet the cold land surface, when this stream would meet this cold land surface, the fog would be formed here and lead to condensation here. Next we have is upslope fog. In upslope fog, what happens is, let's say this is a upslope surface, we can call it a mountain also. When the moist air would move above to this, it lead to condensation and rainfall in this region. Next we have is tropical air mass fog. In case of tropical air mass fog, the tropical air mass, the air mass which is generated in the tropical region would move towards the temperate regions, and that's why condensation would take place in the temperate regions. But as the origin of these air mass is in the tropical regions, that's why these air mass are known as tropical air mass fog. And the next one is clouds. Clouds is almost similar to the fogs, but fog can be found at lower heights while clouds found at the higher heights. Clouds are also visible aerosols which contain water vapor and ice crystals that is formed by the condensation process. There are various types of clouds which are found at the low level, mid level and the high level. Depends on various height, various different shapes of the clouds can be found. We can see here those which are stratus. The shape of the stratus will be this type, the sheet-like one. If they are cirrus, then they will be this type. The next one is cumulonimbus. Size of them is very large, this large. These are cumulonimbus. From the lower level, they rise till the very high level. So these are cumulonimbus. Stratus can be found in lower level, higher level, and mid level also. We can see here, this is stratus. This is alto stratus. Alto is found in the mid, and stratus is for straight. Cirrostratus, straight one. So straight can be found in low level, mid level, high level. Here it is stratus only. Here alto is for mid level, straight sheet. Cirro is for high level, straight sheet is stratus. Similar way, cumulus are cotton like these clouds, and strato is for straight one. This cumulus also found in the lower level, and we have cirro is for higher heights and cumulus is for this shape. Cumulus is also found in all the three. This is for the cotton-like shape found. So this is how various shapes of the clouds can be found. Cumulonimbus is the largest one from low level till the high level. It leads to very high rainfall also. Mainly these are formed during the time of cyclonic rainfalls. Stratus are the straight clouds. Cumulus are the cotton-like clouds which are found in all the three levels, low level, mid level and the high level. The clouds which are black in color mostly lead to very heavy rainfall. Clouds which are white or light blue in color mostly lead to some drizzle only. So this is how there are various type of clouds based on their shape and the rainfall which they can produce. And the next one is precipitation. Precipitation is the falling of water droplets or the ice crystals that were formed in the atmosphere. They will now fall on the surface of Earth. All the water droplets that were formed and the ice crystals that were formed will fall on the surface of Earth. It can be in various forms. It can be in form of rain, drizzle, hailstorm, or snow. If it is rain, then it means that it is falling in the form of water droplets, and the size of the droplets is around 0.02 inch. But if it is in the form of drizzle, it means it is falling very much uniformly, and also the size of the water droplets is lesser than 0.01 inch. And if it is falling in the form of ice balls, and the size of the ice balls is larger, it can be around 1 inch also, and even more than 1 inch, then it is known as hailstorm. If it is snow, it is falling in the form of ice crystals also. These are various forms in which precipitation can occur. I hope you understand the topic well. Thank you for watching.